All right, the beast is here, and I don't know what to do with myself. I really don't know what to do with myself. Like, I've been waiting for this for a little minute, just like pretty sure everyone else. It came on time. I done finally got the chance to unbox it. So, let's not waste any time and let's jump into it. Perfect. The Xbox Series X. Alright, let's take a look around the box. You can see here, this is 4K 120 frames per second, 8K HDR, 1TB SSD, variable refresh rate, 4K Blu-ray. Anyone still watch Blu-rays? I used to collect Blu-rays back in the day, but now I stream everything. So, what else we got here? Box. Not much on the box. Oh, to the back of the box. Got the Halo, Power Your Dreams, the most powerful Xbox ever. Well, I would hope it is the most powerful. It is the newest, the latest, and the greatest. It's like always weird when they use that statement. Like Apple says it like the best iPhone ever. I would hope it's the best iPhone ever. It's the newest one. Got these little tabs. About to peel these off. Should I peel them off or should I cut them off? I think I'm just gonna peel them off. Got one right here. That's one down. I don't want to mess the box up, so I'm trying to take my time. Put it on the wall just for this. Time to, let's see, how do I open it? All right, I think it's upside down. The wait is over. Oh, here we go. It's here. Power your dreams. You know what? From all like the talk about this thing, it's pretty small. Like I did watch a few videos. You know, I couldn't help myself. I watched other people's videos, and they made it seem like it was too big to fit inside like TV console. But this don't seem that big at all. Well, let's take it out the box. But holy shit, it's heavy. Man, all right, sits right here. What else we got in here? Like a getting started guide. All right, I think we got accessories in here. So this is the single power cable, no charging brick. I guess I had to take a jab at Apple, but yeah, and it also still don't have that big old block back like the old Xbox. Here goes the HDMI 2.1 cable. You know, inclusive cable. What if they would have sold you the Xbox? It's like, hey, you got to buy your own Xbox HDMI cable. Apple. I'm gonna leave them alone, but it's still so fresh. I can still throw my jabs. And here goes the new. Okay, you got some. Before I jump into the controller, just books, nothing crazy, nothing else in there. All right, so the box is pretty nice too. Yeah, but I was saying, I still have my original Xbox, like my day one Xbox from like, what, 2010, I guess? Still have the box, I still have the system. So here goes the controller. Since this just fell out, I guess I might as well discuss it. I don't like the fact that we're in 2020 and you're still using batteries. Like, why isn't the controller itself rechargeable? But I already knew I wasn't gonna like that. Actually, controller feels good. Nice and grippy. It actually feels really like nothing changed. I mean, it's small changes to the controller, but overall it's really the same controller. No big changes. Just little minor changes under the hood, but the actual feel of the controller feels much better because it has like a little grip to the back. I don't know if you can see that grip that's on here. It's a little more grippy. But back to the foolishness with this batteries for this controller. Knew I wasn't gonna like it, so I went ahead and grabbed one of these. This is the rechargeable battery. Definitely gonna be using this because I'm not gonna be sitting here fiddling around with these batteries, AA batteries, AAA, whatever. Why? Anyway, I'm not gonna be using those. I'm just gonna throw this in. So I got that to put in here. Anyway, enough of the controller. Get this crap out the way. The big boy. Yo, this shit is really small. Like, I think people was really exaggerating about the size of this thing because it's small. Xbox went out the way to do some really good packaging. Like, it's all nice and gift wrapped and shit. It's late, man. I'm all doing all this cussing. Like, it's really wrapped up like a present, like it's Christmas time. Like, if I would have opened this on Christmas, I'd be like, dang, all this wrapping. But yeah, it's pretty good wrapping. I really suck at wrapping Christmas gifts, so I appreciate and I see some good wrapping ish going on. I don't know why I'm opening this so carefully, but I don't want to like ruin anything. Oh. This is the first time looking at this. Didn't see it in stores. I mean, I watched a few videos, but you know, like looking at it yourself in person, that's when you get the real full effect of it. Oh, this green on top looks so clutch. I gotta tilt it to the side so you can see it. It is so clutch. All right, so what else do we have? So this is the, damn, I'm about to break this thing already. So you got the disk drive. I like how it's just a small slit, nothing too overwhelming. I really like the minimal design of this. It's like it's nothing too crazy over the top like the PS5, even though I still like the PS5 design, but the simplicity of this is like really just a box, just a square with all this freaking power in it. But anyway, got a USB-A port on the front. You got two more USB-A port on the back. Ethernet port. That's where the power cable goes in. Got your expansion card slot. I don't know if you noticed, and I see like no one else pointing this out, but there is no USB-C anywhere on this. This is a 2020 device, the next gen console. And I'm not gonna like bail them out with this. There's no USB-C. Why are there no USB-C? Like 3 regular USB-A but no USB-C. Come on, Microsoft. Overall, this looks good. I'm definitely standing this thing up straight. Standing to the side. Seeing to the side don't look bad, but if I was putting it inside like a media center or something, I'll probably sit it to the side. But this little back piece, oh, can you see that? It say, "Hello from Seattle." Xbox. Can this come off? It doesn't come off. This thing is freaking heavy. Time to plug this thing in and set everything up. I literally just set up my TV for this about an hour ago, and now I'm unboxing this. So let's see what my hard work is gonna pay off and connect this up to this TV. After setting up the Xbox and playing for about an hour, I have some initial thoughts. The first thing, the controller. The controller feels really good in the hands. The little added grip they made on the back made a big difference in how it actually feels in hand. The haptic feedback. The vibration motors on this controller are a little bit on the loud side. It just don't feel it don't feel like a high quality like vibration. I don't know, the rumbling just feels a little bit shaky to me, like if some screws loose. Maybe I have like a bad controller or something, but the vibration did not feel so good. Also, the controller is a lot more clickier than the previous generation controller. Also, just too loud. Maybe it's just me, but the clickiness seems a little bit too loud for my liking, and it quickly got annoying. But again, it's just might just be me. Maybe my ears are too sensitive, but the buttons are like really clicky, and some people might actually like those clicky buttons. But yeah, I think I like the way the previous generation controllers. Yeah, this seems loud. The setup process was pretty straightforward and really quick. Just use the app, set up everything, it pulls everything over. You can copy everything over from your last system to the new system. It makes it really simple. I literally have like no games because I've been so far removed from gaming for such a long time, but I do dabble in Warzone from time to time. The download on the Xbox One took about 4 hours, but on the Series X, that took about roughly 30 minutes. It's using the same gigabit internet connection, both wired, and the difference is huge. And that's probably largely due to one being a hard drive and one, the Xbox Series X being an SSD, so the write speeds are much faster. So that, I think that plays a lot into it. The overall system is just really snappy. I mean, everything was flying, everything was moving, everything was buttery smooth. But after my initial excitement of finally having the Xbox in my hands, I really didn't find anything that mind-blowing. It didn't seem like I was really playing a next generation console, but these are just my initial thoughts. I'm gonna get some more games, try out some more features, because there's a lot of stuff that I didn't get to dive into. I just like, this is just my unboxing, but I'm gonna have my full review for it after I get some more hours on this, get some more games, and I'll be back with the full review. Thanks for watching. That was another Joe Tech Talk. Don't forget to subscribe so you can catch me in the next one. And I'm out. I seen fool, where he go? Oh! Got him.